Hey guys, it's Chris Wink from Century 21 Trophy Class, and if you have been looking for a recreational piece of land for hunting, camping, or to set up your up north getaway, you have to check out this land that is now available in Newaygo County. Each parcel is going to be approximately 14 acres, and it is conveniently located next to the Manistee National Forest Property that is directly adjacent to the north. Pettibone Lake is less than 2 miles from these parcels, and you are just minutes from all of the ORV trails that run throughout the area. If you are into hunting, fishing, trail riding, or just love to be out in the wilderness, you must come check these properties out in person to truly understand what this area has to offer. If you like what you've been watching, check out our website at trophyclassrealestate.com or get a hold of me at 231-327-4697. Have a wonderful day.